Okay, now with Corel Video Studio 8, we have got the facility to capture video. Okay, so once you've put that, loaded that software up into your computer in the normal way and followed the instructions, you can take the drive out and usually use Corel Video Studio 8. Even if you do use the actual other software, you can still edit through this particular program. So if you do use this particular program to capture, you go on to capture like that, you go into capture video, and once you're in capture video, I'll just let the system get on with its job. Once you get onto there, normally what will happen, because you haven't got it set up correctly, alright, you will find it will most likely look more like a blank TV screen, alright, which will then be usually lines and God knows what else. So what you do is go into options here, click on options, go to video properties, move TV or whatever it's on, even S video and that, which normally it's left on TV. There you are, it's came up perfectly. Now that's what you're going to start with. So you go, like I say, what you do is go options, straight to video properties, go to the TV, put that onto the middle one, and that will come up nicely. Once you put it on PAM B, which you go to the arrow, go to PAM B, hit OK, and you're ready to go. And then once you actually hit capture, it will capture your video. You can then start the video, make sure the video is rolling, you've got your colour and everything else, and it's set up properly. Then when you've finished, hit stop capture, go into video edit. Once you're actually in the edit area, okay, and you've got your full footage in your line, you can then think to yourself, right, I've got the full footage here, okay. What you then do is you can then look at it and think, right, I need to sort out that line at the bottom, which you can by going into cropping here, go straight down to your bottom there, double D click so you can get into custom filter and click on custom filter. And what we can do here is automatically tick that box, more or less move that to 100, so you double D click and push 100. You double D click the bottom one for your height and go 100. Alright, and that will show a more better precision video. So we can bring that width down by a little bit, because I'm going to alter it a bit more, so I'll go to 95 in this case, and I'll go 95 on there. Alright, which will in a minute bring that down to a very good higher standard. Alright, we can then automatically go Control C, alright, go that arrow there to go to the last frame, alright, Control V. Might not work first time, which it didn't, so we go back to the original by hitting that one, Control C, back to that one, Control V, which has now done it. Okay, now what I then do is hit OK, and then go into the main principles bar. Oh, it's there. I go to video, where it's got keep the correct ratio. Click that and go into fit to project size, which will then boost it up. Then normally I can, tap that, make sure the video is set properly and that everything is edited out correctly and that everything I want is basically there. Alright. Then you just got to render that off, which is share. Once the actual program has came through, which, well, now I'll show you the software that you need to get hold of in a second. But once you push share, use your highlights, go to MPEG 2 because that is your DVD standard. Arrange yourself a folder, which we'll put it into, for this example, into videos, and we will just put it like into videos. Then you can like put a name in, and I'll just put YT video TRA, hit save, and then you immediately just hit start, and that will start the video and more or less put that into the folder that you've represented. And then when that comes to the end, I'll show you the software required to do the job, that you can then, you know, more or less do it. Okay, the editing would have been done on that, but I'm just showing you more or less how to render it after you've done all the editing and, you know, stuff like that, which you can get used to the program yourself, or, you know, be able to edit like later on. Because I always find when I'm doing videos that, yeah, it tends to be that I've got to rewind it and stuff like that to make it all work. So there you go. And then I obviously render it, get it done. Okay, so I'll let that end. Now that's ended, we'll go to the actual like software and the hardware side. That's the software you're going to need from amazon.co.uk, which is the ezcat.tv116, and it is advisable to also buy yourself a 5 meter long SCAT to RCA 333 times by phono cable audio video lead gold, because then you get ultimate like quality in your videos and your audio. And then all you gotta do is buy Corel Video Studio, say number 8. Obviously edit the material through that editor, and Bob's your uncle. But I do it with better equipment, so I don't have to do any of it myself. So now, when you've actually done all of that and you're ready to put it on to the DVD, alright, I'll show you the program that I normally use. We just get rid of Corel. Alright, I use what is known as DVD Styler. Alright, it's a fantastic free program, and I can get my computer to like do its job. Alright, so DVD Styler is the one I use, and I'll quickly show you the very basics. Okay, first we normally go to PAM 720 by 576 at 16 by 9. We just push OK. Alright, you then pick one of these. Alright, which is say that one, and go OK. Alright, then basically if you want to leave it blue, fine, you can leave it blue. If you want to more or less like right click, go down to add, you can add an image to that particular background and keep all your images, say, within like pictures. And if we want to bring, say, an image, say that one down, because we're, say, working on our own thing, which you can actually save images via Corel Video Studio 8 by going edit, and there's a snapshot area in there. We could bring that in, you see, bring that in nicely and sort of widen it and stuff like that, which we can soon do. Because if I bring the arrow up, I could expand that, you know, move that around as best I can into the whole screen. Better use a better like picture row, and then by the time you've, you know, got that right, say across the whole page, and it looks, obviously it will look better in this, but you know, you get the idea. And that you could then, let's delete that, and that'd be easier. And then your disc title, I usually put about there, and I just title it whatever it is. The play all, you know, I usually put roughly underneath. Get rid of that. And then if I go and browse, say, some old files, we can then see that I've done some previous videos, and we could bring that one straight into the bottom, which would line up, and is now telling me I've got at least 130 minutes. So we say pretend to bring some more in, and we can keep filling that up until you've like literally like got say 130 minutes of video in, which shouldn't take you sort of very long. And that, and then all you got to do is with the markers on menu 2 is I tend to then copy, say, the marker there, cut there, and bring it into the new menu, and simply right click and paste. Alright, as soon as you right click and paste, that will go into your, you know, video project. And of course, all you then got to do to get, say, the word in is right click, add text, put in your text. We'll just put AA for this example, but I suggest you don't put AA, because you're going to need a proper title like Devon or something like that. Bring that up to, say, the top, get it all lined up nicely. You can, in fact, in your foot area, go for different size foots in different areas, different sizes as well, so you can change it, say 20. You can even make it like bold if it's required, which is there's bold for an example. We put it on 22, then go up to say 20, and you can change colour if you want, and we can go say black, and that would change that to black. Okay, then by adding all of that like across, you can then make your like, you know, videos with the icons. That you can change colour also, because it's just there. Alright, okay again, and if you want to change the foot again, you can do the same thing. You can take bold off, put bold on, whatever you like, and then the same thing there. Double D click. Make sure that is ticked, because it has to play all titles. Make sure your highlighter is, say, coloured, say, red or something, and your select colour is, say, on blue, because when you select it, it will turn that colour to blue. Your text colour is basically this up here, play all, which we can then turn to black, and hit OK. Hit OK. Now, when the whole project is ready, you just put a DVD into your DVD RW drive. Simply click that, and it will burn the whole of your project here, including all your videos down there, onto your disk. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much for joining me, and if you've got any problems with this, just give me a bell and I'll try and help you out in converting them. Thanks. Bye for now.